In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use tables within your Canva document. We're going to dive into the process step by step, ensuring you gain a comprehensive understanding of how to enhance your documents with this feature. So, whether you're new to Canva or simply looking to optimize your skills, you've come to the right place. First, let's start by heading over to your Canva document. Once you've opened your project in Canva, you have access to a wide array of tools and features designed to boost your productivity and creativity. Canva is a user-friendly design platform that allows you to create visually appealing content with ease, and today, we're focusing on one particularly useful element, tables. Next, you'll want to locate the Elements tab in the side panel. This tab is a treasure trove of resources that includes graphics, photos, videos, and most importantly for our task today, tables. Once you're in the Elements section, you can use the search bar to type in table. Here you'll see a variety of table designs that Canva has to offer. Take a moment to browse through these options to find a design that best fits your document's aesthetic and purpose. Once you've spotted the perfect table design, go ahead and click to insert it into your document. It's amazing how easy Canva makes this process. With just a click, you can drastically improve the organization and readability of your document. After inserting the table, you'll notice small dots surrounding each column. These dots are your control points. They allow you to customize the table according to your needs. Clicking on these dots gives you several options, such as adding or deleting rows or columns, and adjusting the size of each column equally. This flexibility is one of the reasons why using tables in Canva can be incredibly powerful for organizing data or structuring content visually. Explore these options and adjust your table until it suits your project perfectly. Remember, the goal here is to create a layout that is not only functional, but also appealing to the eye. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments and have customized the table to your liking, you're all set. Using tables in Canva is as simple as that. They enable you to present information in a clear, structured, and visually pleasing manner. Whether you're preparing a presentation, an infographic, or any other document type, tables can enhance your layout by making complex data comprehensible at a glance. I hope this guide helps you navigate Canva's table feature with confidence. With a little practice, you'll be able to integrate tables seamlessly into your design projects, enhancing both their form and function. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Happy designing!